Jai Shanidev friends, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel and I pray to Almighty to offer blessings to all of you and fulfill all your wishes. I am very thankful to all my subscribers and I hope I will be getting your support like this in future as well. Very soon I am going to publish video on how will be the year 2022 for Gemini Ascendant. As for Gemini Ascendant, year 2022 will be a very important year as there will be transit of Rahu, Saturn and Jupiter, and these transits play very important roles in anyone's life when we talk about any aspect of life, whether it is career, family life, finances, health. So what will be the impact of these transits on you during the year 2022? To know about this, subscribe my channel and press the notification bell so that you will get the latest updates of this channel. In this video, we will discuss the detailed analysis of Gemini Ascendant for the month of September 2021, and people who want to learn Vedic astrology, my videos will be helpful to them as well, as I will try to explain you how I have given predictions. There are different sections in this video. In these different sections, we will discuss the impact of planetary transits during the month of September on your career, on your family life, on your health, on your finances, on your romance life, and finally at the end of this video we will discuss the best remedies which will be helpful for you during the month of September. So if number 3 is written in the first house of your birth chart and LA, which stands for Lagna or Ascendant, is also written in the same house as you can see in this particular birth chart, then this monthly birth chart analysis reports September 2021 is for you. For other ascendants or Lagna prediction for the month of September, you can watch my other videos. During the month of September, there are very important planetary transits of Jupiter and Venus, as Jupiter will be in the retrograde movement and will be placed again in the 8th house in conjunction with Saturn. And what will be the impact of these planetary transits on your career, on your finances, on your health, on your family? We will be discussing all this in this particular video. So let's move forward and first discuss about your career during the month of September. Period from 1st to 6th of September, your birth chart will look like this as you can see here. During this period, Mars and Sun conjunction is there in the 3rd house, Venus and Mercury conjunction is there in the 4th house, Ketu is in the 6th house, Rahu is in the 12th house, Saturn is in the 8th house and Jupiter is in the 9th house of birth chart. So let's move forward and discuss what will be the impact of these planetary placements on your career. During this period, Mars and Sun conjunction is there in the 3rd house. Presence of Sun and Mars in the 3rd house will boost your self-confidence. You will be full of positive energy, which will increase positive aura around you, which will be helpful for you to achieve your goals. Presence of these two planets in the 3rd house will increase the travel related to your job or business. People who are using social media platforms for their business or doing some work in association with social media, then such people, such professionals will be getting some very good opportunities, some very good growth in that. Students who are preparing for some government job exams, then this period will give you excellent results in that as well. Your luck will favor you and you will be getting very good results of your hard work here. From 3rd house, Mars will aspect the 6th house, 9th house and 10th house of birth chart as you can see with the help of these arrows. Placement of Mars in the 3rd house makes the native energetic and rough in attitude. You will not take suggestions from others and you are not ready to listen to others as well. This behavior of yours will impact on your married life in a negative manner. What will be its impact on your family life? We will discuss this in our family related section later in this video. If you are doing any business with your younger brothers and sisters, then during this period such business will grow. There are chances of visit to some religious places during this particular period. People who are into politics, then such people will be getting very good opportunities here. Presence of Sun and Mars will help you in achieving your goals in life. During this particular period, Mercury is placed in the 4th house of birth chart and Mercury is also the lord of the 4th house, due to which Mercury will be giving excellent results. If you are facing any sort of mental stress related to your job or business, then any such stress will remove here. If you are searching new job during the past few months and were not getting success in that, then during this period you will get some good opportunities. If you are facing any challenges, any predicaments in your business or project, then this period will give you excellent positive results. If you are planning to invest in some property or are planning to purchase some vehicle, then this period will give you very positive results in that as well. Conjunction of Mercury and Venus will give you positive results in that. During the current period, Jupiter is in the 9th house of birth chart, that is the luck house of birth chart. Placement of Jupiter in the 9th house makes the native more inclined towards your culture and tradition. You may also start getting support from your father and teachers. If your luck was not favoring during the past few months or years, then this period will give you some positive results in that. Your luck will start favoring you. All the predicaments you are facing related to your job or business will be reduced here. If you are into some sort of religious or social activities, and if you are doing any sort of business with association with some sort of religious place, then in such type of business you will be getting good growth. You will get positive results in that. Placement of Mars in the 3rd house and Jupiter in the 9th house of birth chart will increase in travel trips related to your business and job. These travel trips may be at some religious places as well. Due to these travel trips, you will be getting very positive results in the near future. During the current period, Saturn is in the 8th house of birth chart and in the retrograde movement. Presence of Saturn in the 8th house makes you little lazy, little lethargic. It may keep you away from family responsibilities or some sort of detachment from family, due to which mental stress at your home may increase. Due to the retrograde movement of Saturn, there will be some slow pace in your work, delay in getting favorable results of your hard work, due to which your mental stress may increase. Presence of Saturn in the 8th house makes you passionate towards your job. You always want to achieve the target irrespective of any conditions in life. This makes your life little boring and dull. It will be difficult for you to make work-life balance during the current period. What will be the impact of this on your married life? We will discuss this in our family related section later in this video. During the current period, Rahu placement is there in the 12th house of birth chart, due to which you will start thinking in multiple directions rather focusing on a single goal in life. You will start thinking in a negative manner. Avoid taking any sort of big decision related to your business or job during this particular period. If you are staying in foreign land, then there are chances of some sort of fraud may happen with you in foreign land. If you are searching job in foreign land, then it will give you some positive results. If you are associated with some online business or work, then in such business you will be getting very positive results. Period from 6th to 18th of September, your birth chart will look like this. As you can see here, during this period, Mars transit will be from the 3rd house to the 4th house of birth chart, and Venus transit will be from 4th house to the 5th house of birth chart. Venus transit is one of the most important transit of this month, as Venus is the lord of the 5th house and will be placed in the 5th house. Mars will be placed in the 4th house. Mars is a malefic planet in your birth chart, and Mars will aspect your 7th house, 10th house and 11th house of birth chart, due to which it may create some mental stress at your workplace. Try to keep yourself away from any sort of heated arguments, otherwise this period will damage your image at your workplace. This period will impact your image in a negative manner. Try not to take any sort of decision related to your job or business during this particular period, especially if you are planning to change your job, as during this period you may take some wrong decisions. People who are into partnership business have to be very careful, as during this period your conflict with your partners may increase. Your mental stress related to your partnership business may increase, so better to keep calm and avoid doing any sort of arguments with your partners. What will be the impact of placement of Mars in the 4th house on your married life? We will discuss this in our family related section later in this video. Venus is the lord of the 5th house, and during this period Venus is placed in its own sign, due to which you will be getting very positive results here. If you are not getting results of your hard work, you will start getting those fruitful results. There are chances of some foreign travels related to your job or business during this particular period. People who are associated with social media, people who are into some sort of creative work, those who are into singing, dancing, music will be getting very excellent opportunities during this particular period. Period from 19th to 26th of September, your birth chart will look like this. As you can see here, during this particular period, Sun transit will be from 3rd house to the 4th house of birth chart, and Jupiter transit will be from 9th house to the 8th house of birth chart, which is the most important transit of this month, as Jupiter will again make conjunction with Saturn this year. During the current period, Sun and Mars conjunction is there in the 4th house. Here Sun will also reduce the negative impact of Mars, as Mars is the malefic planet, as we have already discussed. There are chances that you will get some unexpected gains from property. This period will also give you some positive results if you are planning to invest in property. If you are planning to purchase any new vehicle, then this period will be favorable for that as well. If you are planning to renovate your house, then this period will be helpful in that as well. Sun aspect will be on the 10th house from the 4th house of birth chart, due to which you will be getting some new good opportunities in your career, in your job, in your business. If you are planning to change your job, then this period will give you positive results in that as well. If you are into government job and you are going through some sort of mental stress in that, then this period will give you some relief in that. During this period you will feel huge energy from inside that will force you to put some extra efforts in your job or business, which will give you some unexpected gains in that. Placement of Mars in the 4th house is not considered favorable for married life. What will be its impact on your married life? We will discuss this in our family related section later in this video. Placement of Jupiter in the 8th house, from where Jupiter will aspect the 12th house, 2nd house and 4th house of birth chart, as you can see with the help of these arrows. Conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn in the 8th house will give such natives a fruitful results. Those who are into social work, those who are into medical field, who are into research work, who are into software development, such professionals will be getting some unexpected gains here. You will be getting some positive results of this conjunction. Conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter will increase your inclination towards social work, towards religious activities. If you are into some family business, then this period will give you some stable growth in that as well. What will be the impact of this conjunction on your health? We will discuss this in our health related section later in this video. Period from 27th to 30th of September, your birth chart will look like this, as you can see here. During this period, Mercury will transit from the 4th house to the 5th house of birth chart. During this period, Mercury and Venus conjunction is there in the 5th house, and Venus is the lord of the 5th house in your birth chart and Mercury is the lord of the 1st house. And during this period, lord of the 5th house and lord of the 1st house are in conjunction, due to which this period will give you very positive results. This period will be the most auspicious period for you during this particular period, as such type of planetary conjunctions happen only once in a year. So better you should put your 100% effort and gain maximum from this particular period. If you are into share trading, then this period will give you some unexpected gains in that as well. There are chances that your travel related to your job or business will increase here, and due to these travel you will be getting amazing results in the coming period. There are chances that you will get some unexpected promotion in your career, unexpected gains in business. This period will be very favorable period for you. So that was all about your career during the month of September. Now let's move forward and discuss about your health during the month of September. If you are having disease related to your lower abdomen area, then you have to be very careful. Such disease may create more trouble to you. Females who are pregnant, then after 28th of September, you have to be very careful and avoid doing any sort of work which may impact your health in a negative manner. If you drive any vehicle or do gym, then you have to be very careful during this particular period. Period from 13th to 15th of September and 21st to 23rd of September, your mental stress may increase. You may face sleep related issues. You may face uneasiness. What remedies you have to perform during this period, I have mentioned this in our remedies section, will be helpful for you. So that was all about your health during the month of September. Now let's move forward and discuss about your finances during the month of September. Period till 18th of September, there are chances of increase in finances. Your mental stress related to your finances will reduce here. If you are doing any business or job related to foreign land, then this period will give you some unexpected financial gains. But there are chances of increase in expenses during this particular period. So try to avoid any such expense which is not very important for you, and there are chances that your expenses may increase on your health related issues during this particular period. Period after 18th of September, there are chances that your expenses will increase. These expenses will be on your health related issues. Period from 10th to 12th of September, you may get some unexpected financial gains. These gains may be from some of your previous investments which was not giving you any fruitful results in the past. Try to avoid doing any sort of investment from 14th to 16th of September. That will be beneficial for you. So that was all about your finances during the month of September. Now let's move forward and discuss about your romance life during the month of September. If you are single, then during the period 11th to 14th of September, you may fall into relationship, you may fall in love. If you are into relationship, then period after 6th September will be a favorable period for your relationship matters. Your bonding will improve. All your stress related to your relationship issues will remove here. So that was all about your romance life during the month of September. Now let's move forward and discuss about your family life during the month of September. Period till 8th of September, your mental stress with your younger brother and sister may increase. This stress may be related to your business, related to your property, or may be related to some family related matter. Period till 18th of September will be favorable period for your married life. If you are facing some mental stress related to your married life, then that stress will reduce. Your relationship will improve, your bonding will increase. Period after 18th of September, due to excessive workload, you will not be able to manage your work-life balance, due to which there are chances of some mental stress in your married life. Better to keep calm and try to spare some time for your family as well during this particular period. So that was all about your family life during the month of September. Now let's move forward and discuss about those most important remedies which will be helpful for you during the month of September. On 14th of September, from 6:20 am to 6:40 pm, donate red lentils, 2 meter red clothes to some needy person. On 20th of September, between 5:55 am to 6:45 pm, donate 2 meter black cloth, 250 grams of black pulses and 1 liter sesame oil to some needy person. Feed dogs or fishes daily after sunset. Donate some medicine in any charitable hospital once in a week. So these were the best remedies which you have to perform during the month of September and will be beneficial for you. So that was all about Gemini Ascendant for the month of September 2021. May Almighty bless you always, and thanks for watching the video.